Hello dear teachers, this video is a demo Zoom meeting. So I have started my meeting and I have sent an invitation to one of the participant, and that person is waiting in the waiting room. So I can either admit or remove. I am admitting the participant and that participant is joining. Another options we can see is we can choose a virtual background for the host. So there are three options. One, no virtual background, the background as it is, or you can choose this one or this. So these are the two available virtual backgrounds. If you want to take any particular image as your background, click on this plus sign. You can take an image from your own desktop or laptop, or you can browse from internet, and you can set it as a background, virtual background. I'm choosing none. Other options: share screen, whiteboard. When I share whiteboard, I can see myself and the participant can see me, the host, and the whiteboard. I can draw. I can use spotlight. I can stamp, and I can save all these changes. I'm clearing all my drawings. Other screen share options: my PPT is already there. I'm sharing my PPT. Again, annotate. Slideshow from beginning using annotate. I'm highlighting this point. I can highlight this one using spotlight. I can stamp this person, then and we can use all those facilities available in the menu bar. I just stopped my sharing, and at the same time you can share in advanced features. If you want to show any portion of your screen, you can share just this part. Files, you can take file from your Google Drive by selecting Google Drive, share, and sign up. You can select your file or PPT, whatever documents you have in your Google Drive. And after your presentation, in between your presentation, you can chat with your participants. You can chat with everyone, or you can chat with one particular participant. You can share a file from your computer or from Google Drive to the participant. Okay, so these are the available features, and this is a demo Zoom meeting. Hope it is clear with all the features of Zoom meeting. Thank you.